Hi, today we're doing a video about Google Opal. It's a free AI tool that helps to create apps without any coding using natural language. You can edit and share these apps with others. So let's start the video. Search Google Opal. Click on the first result. From here you can sign in or click on Try Opal. Sign in with Google and you will be in the dashboard. Here are different templates available that include social media post, video marketer, blog writer. We choose one of them to give you a demo. Here you see the different options. User will add the topic. It will do some research, create an outline, create banner image, write post, and at the end it will display blog post. From here you can preview the app. Click on start. Write the topic of the article. It will start researching and creating an outline. This is how the app works. Click on editor to make any changes in the app. From here you can preview as well. You can share this app with this link. You can edit the app from here and add different options. Here we have added the keyword option. You see here the option is added. From here you can change the theme. Right over here what type of theme you want. From here you can select different options. So this is an easy way to create mini apps. Hope you like the video.